Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today was supposed to be like a real intro, but unfortunately I'm still a little tired. Not like physically tired, just like trying to get things together because I have a million things going on right now, and it's a really great thing. Actually, I was talking to Mel and she was like, girl, I'm gonna call you right back. I'm like, all right. And then she called me and I'm like, girl, I gotta call you right back. And then I call her, she's like, girl, I gotta call you right back. I'm like, okay. So finally, I believe last night we talked and she was like, girl, the life of entrepreneurs. I'm like, right. I'm like, are you free? She's like, yes. And I'm like, are you free? I'm like, yes. Like, she was about to take a bath and I was just getting in the tub. So it's been crazy, but we were talking and I was just like, you almost don't want to say like you want to break and then almost not be thankful for what's going on. But like I said, I'm not like physically tired, like, oh, I'm so hurting or whatever. It's just like I didn't think things were gonna like happen like this so fast. But you know, you ask God for something, it's like you have to prepare yourself for it. But I feel really blessed and just super amazed by the outpour of support and clients and just everything. So I'm just want to say thank you again. But like I said, I don't know if I said it, I'm just getting back from Be Love and I had a consultation and some other things going on. But I do apologize because I've been meaning to put my mom's house out, but I was waiting because I had an actual opportunity with a company, but it was pushed back. So it's still gonna happen, but it was pushed back. But I wanted to show her house, at least a few rooms, but everything isn't like finished. There's still like some things that need to get done, but like I said, contracts are getting signed, so I'll be able to show you guys more. Today, only thing I'm going to be really sharing with you guys is her front formal like sitting room. It's not even a living room or whatever, but I will say formal living. The furniture in that room is not going to stay just like that. I am gonna pull out one of the chairs and bring them downstairs and add some more chairs, add different chairs in there, because personally for me, I don't like sets. I'm gonna break that furniture up, but I'm not gonna keep you guys long. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see her house, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys at the end if you're interested in staying tuned. Starting off, what I wanted to do is share with you guys the original setup of my mom's house. This is for the newcomers. I know a lot of you guys already seen the video, but just bear with me. So pretty much the wall color was a cantaloupe color. What I did was I went in with a new muted kind of green undertone color. It's really pretty. You guys will get to see it when I reveal the whole space to you. But as you can see, they went in with a two-tone on the wainscoting going up the stairs and also in the dining room, which was so important for me to share. I felt like it was going to bring the space together, make it seem a little bit more cohesive, and we're going for a real traditional style. This here is the original layout of the formal living room. And like I said, I don't want to say formal because it's not quite there just yet, but it's going to be the formal living room. And as you can see, they pretty much did the same thing with the wainscoting, like all the way around in the trim work, did the two-tone. I just went on ahead and made everything a lot more uniform just to kind of bring the space together. And it gives a little bit more interest also. I think these tips are really great to take notice of, just because if you're watching this at home and you're thinking about doing these projects, these are just small, inexpensive upgrades that you can do yourself. I did go into Sherwin-Williams and I got the paint. If I can remember, I'll leave it in the description box down below. That way, if you guys are interested, you can find it. It's really great, especially if you have kids, because you can clean it. Keep in mind that my mom lives alone, so I didn't have to do this, but I thought it was just really good because, again, I'm never going to do anything in anyone's home that I wouldn't do in my own personal home. So as you can see, everything is uniform, and I wanted to give you guys a really quick look into the living room again. This is just the first coat. Again, I just pulled this video reel from a video that I uploaded for you guys previously. That way you guys can get a little refresher in case you forgot. But this is how the space is looking currently. And now I'm going to share with you what her space looks like now. So I didn't want to do too much talking in the beginning. I wanted you guys just to be able to see everything. But just to give you a little bit of information, like I said, the sofa and the accent chairs and everything are 100% leather. I don't know where my mom got that furniture. It's older. She got it reupholstered, which was a really great addition into the house. The second thing is the rug is from Home Goods. A lot of the accessories, you guys, are from Home Goods. It took several trips. We were able to make good with so many pieces already in the house. If you're wondering about that black leather set, I put it in the first kind of sitting room area. I am going to switch this space up also. I have an idea of what I want to do with this space, but I'm just trying to find the right pieces to kind of go in there. So just give me a little bit of time. That way I can go ahead and work on that space. Just so that way you can see where the house came from, I wanted to put in the very first video that I shared so you can see some of the renovations. My mom was just over having the carpet on the stairs, so she went on ahead and got everything pulled up, and like I said, everything is just so seamless. It looks as though there was never any carpet in the house, but there was, and the paint color looks really good. I hope you were able to see that green in there. I thought that was going to be a really great look into the house, and just changing out some of the light fixtures. There's still quite a bit of work that needs to go in, but I'm just really happy with how the space is coming together. It definitely feels a lot more homey, and she is loving the space so much, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the update. So my mom lives in a townhome, so I'm gonna be doing 2 different rooms in her house, technically 3 different rooms in her house, and I'm just gonna show you how you can work more inexpensive furniture in the space. She doesn't have any kids. I mean, me, but I'm grown. Her grandkids, but they are not hard where they're gonna be like jumping on her furniture or anything, because they know better. She ain't got no boo. She has a dog, and he knows better than to scratch up her stuff. So she is a great candidate for someone to do like high and lows like all over her house, and maybe an inexpensive sofa or a bed that isn't so expensive, just because it's only her, and when she does have guests, it's me. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys. I'm not gonna be doing anything too dramatic or drastic in her house, only because it's only her. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I wanted to be able to do a little bit more, but everything that I did was from Home Goods. So like amazing, like the bench, the basket, the pillows, the throws, the rug, the decor, the floral arrangements, the console table. Like, it was just a great day. We went shopping over the course of about 3 days. We hit up probably every Home Goods in Atlanta, and I was just picking up like 1 or 2 things from every store, and then it finally came together. My mom is just super easygoing, and like the furniture is 100% leather, so that wasn't really a big deal, and she wasn't trying to do anything like super extravagant. Some paint. I think that the house feels homey. Like, it feels very homey, which is what she wanted. And we're going to be working on the dining room, the master, and then one of the guest rooms. So that's going to be coming here probably, if not by December time frame, like around that time, because I'm going to go to Atlanta in like another couple of weeks. And I want to do like a life update. I want to do a life update that way I can kind of let you guys in on a couple of things that's been going on that I'm really excited about. And normally I like to wait for news like that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and share it. And if it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. It is what it is. I'm not gonna like hold it against myself if it doesn't happen, but I'm excited. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit later. I have a couple things that I have to go and do right now, so I'm gonna go and do that. One of those being unpack my suitcase. I have not done that yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys have a really great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.